Hi guys, welcome to second part of the lecture setting up SharePoint form. In the first part we have covered what security account we need to create an Active Directory, and now in this part we will cover how to install the SQL Server. So log in with SP setup on the SQL Server, which is our SQL Server and SharePoint Server, calling it one server form, and then click on the setup file. So this is my SQL Server in SharePoint Server. This is my install folder where I have placed the SQL Server installation media. Click on this SP setup file. Click yes. It will open a window with which you can install the SQL Server. So first review the hardware and software requirement, then go to the installation and click this option. After clicking this option, some more screen will be shown to you. Some checks will be verified. In case if you are getting any error, you need to fix it before completing the installation. Then some more checks will be checked, and we are getting one warning on Windows firewall. We can skip it for now. Then in the future you need to select database engine service and management tools basic, and you also need to provide the account which is SPSQL for the SQL services. We have created this SPSQL account in the Active Directory, and we are logging on the server with SP setup. So add this SP setup, which is our current user in the user, so that it can operate the operations, perform the operation on the SQL server. So going to the SQL server, closing this, I have installed the SQL Server. I have also installed the Management Studio. We need some more setting like in advanced. Go down and make sure this one is set to 1. It is required. You can Google it in detail about this setting. We also need some firewall setting, and we need to create one inbound rule, and that is 1433. Just click on the next, allow connection. We calling it next, and then it is inbound route 1433. Just click next and OK. So this is all the setting which is required. So our SQL is installed, required setting are applied, and in the next video we will cover installation of SharePoint server. For now, thank you for watching the video.